Today I want to show you this pretty awesome UFO high bay light. So obviously a UFO look to it. You get the lens separate from the actual light itself, and it's super easy to install. It comes with 3 additional screws. You can use the light without the shield, but this is definitely going to help with moisture and also diffusing the light. So you can see it has a real nice metal ring around the outside to help keep this face on it, and then it's just an overall nice light. Super big and bright. Does come with multiple different hanging options, so it does come with a threaded screw here. You can add that in, or it comes with a cable, loop cable that you can actually connect into if you're hanging it from up above. And then it's already wired for your 110, so simply go ahead and plug it in, and you can see this thing's pretty darn bright. It's actually going to help illuminate right into that specific area with this light, and you can see that this thing is pretty darn bright. Helps diffuse the light and really give you a super nice light on the inside here. So as you can see, very bright light that's going to allow you the ability to see in your shop, whether it's a super high ceiling and you don't have access to it, or you just really want to diffuse a lot of light. This is going to be perfect for that. It does come with a nice user's guide, and just overall just a pretty nice heavy duty light that's going to be great for your garage or wherever you need that extra lighting. It is IP65 rated, so it does have a lot of that water resistant features into it. So check one of them out.